If you dreamt of relaxing while steadily earning money or reinvesting it to experience the magic of compound interest, congratulations, you are at the first level of investing. The thing is, there's nothing complicated about choosing a stock and checking how many percent you will earn if you own it. I can say for sure that it's a boring strategy that quickly becomes dull. I guarantee that if you invest $10,000 in dividend stocks and receive 75 or $300 annually, you won't even notice the magic of compound interest that most investors talk about. So, to briefly describe investors at the first level, these are investors who buy stable companies, mostly dividend aristocrats or so-called blue chip stocks, and receive a small but steady returns that outpace inflation. The second level consists of investors who are not satisfied with the first level scenario. To boost their returns, they look for stocks with high dividends or switch to growth companies like Tesla, Amazon, or Nvidia. I have already proven this a few times on my channel, but to put it briefly, the dividend yield will always be lower than a growth strategy because you have to pay taxes on dividends annually, while with Amazon you only pay upon selling. So, to summarize the second level of investors, these are investors who take on more risk because in investing, the higher the risk, the greater the potential return. The third level of investors, and essentially the highest level that an average person can achieve, is investing in an index funds like the S&P 500 index. I say this because over 90% of all of hedge funds cannot beat this index in the long run. I'm not talking about ordinary people, I'm talking about experienced individuals and teams who work together and still can outperform this index. So, by buying this index, you automatically achieve better results than 90% of investors. Thus, if someone laughs at you for investing in an index, I can confidently say that you will earn more money than they will. To briefly describe the third group of investors, these are the ones who buy the index and they are one of the most successful in the stock market. The final group is the legends, those who achieve results far beyond the S&P 500 index. Such individuals or funds are very few only, about 7%. So, to become a legend, you need to be among this 7%. When I talk about funds, I don't mean that among ordinary people only 7% of investors outperform the index. You need to work hard to achieve such results. Personally, I believe I'm between the third and fourth levels. I have found a few stocks I believe have potential, and I'm waiting for the right time to buy them and build a portfolio that beats the index. If I succeed, I will reach the legendary level. If not, I will go back to index investing. That's all from me. Let me know in the comments what level you are at.